Right guys, I'm currently on my way to getting a CQR Sentra, which I'm very happy about, and I've just thought of an idea since I'm recycling my used batteries. I'm probably going to put it in there, and yeah, I'm so excited to restore it because I'm really excited to make a video of restoring the older bell boxes, like stuff like Odyssey 3s and whatever. Nah, that's not going to cut it. We need something older than that. After all, my views have been terrible, so maybe if I make a video of me restoring a CQR Sentra, it'll attract more people, as it's an older and rarer bell box. Yes, that'll be perfect for me and my YouTube channel, also for the viewers. So, yes, let's do this.
Freedom is invisible. Hypnotic.
Well, I helped everyone out. One battery at a time. Not far to go now. Right guys, we are literally right around the corner. I don't know if these bell boxes are associated with them at all, because there's another CQR Sentra up there and an Integra right there. The gate's open. So you see an Integra there and an Integra there. Oh, I mean, that's a Sentra. I don't know if I said Sentra or not. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Is this it here? Yo. Oh, this is definitely it. Oh my god, I've actually got it. I just gotta hope it's live. Oh, it's gonna be disgusting, isn't it? I don't want to see the backside first. Oh, I can't even get it out. Oh, this is definitely it though. Yo! I got it. That's it. The CQR Sentra. I don't know what I'm going to do with this bin bag though. I think I'm going to put it over there. Helping out one at a time. I really hope that's live. It feels too light to be live though, that's the problem. I don't think this is live. I really do not think this is live. Oh yeah, it's a dummy box. There's the catch. That might be why I've never seen it work in my entire friggin' life. Well, there's no point in even opening it then, is there? This is a dummy box. But, hey, what do you expect, huh? You can't have everything.
Of this place, away, tired of this place, away, tired of this place, away, tired of this place, away. This place
Right guys, I hope you enjoyed me restoring this CQR Sentra. I wouldn't say restoring it either, I'd say just cleaning up for now. I'm going to try to do more work to it in the future, because obviously this was just me just cleaning it so I can actually have it in the house without me dreading. And you can definitely see there's more dust coming back, because this is all actually just stained, so you can actually tell I wasn't able to get it fully cleaned, because it all just keeps coming back. I might be able to do all that bit though. Yeah, it looks a lot better though, you will admit, give me credit. Alright, thanks for watching, peace.